Hello everyone. In this video we are going to write a program on exception handling where we are going to make a new user defined exception while entering an employee's name and his age. So we are going to make a class called exa. So in that class we are going to make variables age and name of static int age and name. Here we are going to make a static void age check. So this would be a method where we are going to enter an age and we are going to check whether it's less than 50. Now we are going to make it static void age check throws like age exception. We'll make it such that that this age check has a tendency to throw an exception of age, where we have defined a user defined exception called age exception. So it would we would write age check throws age exception. So in it we are going to give if age is more than 50, then it's going to throw a new age exception called where the message would be the age can't be more than 50. So here if the age is less than 50, then it would print that yes, the input has been valid. So this is one method. Another method is name check. We're going to check the name, and here we are going to give it throws name exception, which would throw an exception of name where it's going to say whether all are letters and there's no non-letter been involved. So it's going to check if s next line of the line which has been entered not matches, means not matches A to Z. This is regex. So if it doesn't matches, if it's not among any letters irrespective of caps on or caps off, it would throw a new exception where name would consist of letters only, message would be sent. Now we are going to make a public main method. In main method we are going to print out enters names, age and employee. We are going to introduce the try block. In try block we are going to enter the two methods name check and age check. Well, according to the problem, it was said that if it runs properly, then we are going to make an object and we'll say object created. So if both are running perfectly, if the both entries has been done in a proper manner, then it's going to create an object and it would say the object has been created, or otherwise it would bring an exception and the program will stop there and there. So after a try we are going to enter the catch name exception of f. So we are going to print the message and catch age exception. So both exceptions would be caught if it is found. So this is the class exa, and below we are going to make the exception. We are going to define the exceptions, user defined exceptions. So here class age exception extends exception universal class. So in that we are going to make public age exception of string message. This is the argument, and the argument would be the super message that has been well, it has been written in the this one in the main method. So similarly for the name exception, we're going to the same. We're going to extend it to the exception, and then we're going to make public name exception string message, and we're going to call the super message. So this is the program. We're going to run it now. Yep. So we are going to bring it down a bit. So enter the employee's name. So first we are going to enter a name where we are going to include a number also. So let's give like this, and we are going to include one number. So it would give the name should consist of letters only. This is the name check has been introduced. So this one is not working. We can see. We'll run it this time, where we're going to give the name first, a proper name, and the age will give more than 50, so we're going to 51. So it's giving the age exception where the age can't be more than 50. So this is one. Now this time we're going to make a perfect one without making sure there's any exception. We're going to give a caps okay, we've entered in the wrong place. A caps B, and then yep, enter. so it's working. And then we are going to give 23. So it's saying input is valid and the object is created. So with this we have made the exception program. So with this I'm going to conclude my video. So thank you for watching.